time for a squishy haul. Alright, we went to literally a ton of stores. Five Below, Kohl's, Ross, Michael's. And a lot of the stores didn't have what we were looking for. We went squishy hunting. And if you guys didn't see that video, go watch it right now. But we only got a couple things. Alright, so first we went to Kohl's and we didn't find anything there. Next we went to Five Below and we didn't find anything there. Then we went to Michael's because I've been hearing that people have been going to Michael's and finding some goodies. And I did get a squishy. Now there were a ton of other squishies, but it was really expensive there. So I ended up getting this really cute bunny donut. It's like a dupe for the Vito donut. So like, yeah. And I'll do an unboxing in my next video. Next we went to Ross because it was like really close. And instead of getting a squishy, I got this really cute bathing suit. And I love it. And then Paisley actually found this, but it's like actually like there's two squishies and a racer. It's like a capybara mix-up, and then there's a mystery thing. So we ended up getting this, and I'm super excited about it. But that's my haul. Go to my next video to see me unbox it.